I made this sauce with pineapple and fish, and the taste was out of this world. Like, you can't find the taste anywhere in this world. Oh my goodness, it was absolutely delicious. And if you want to know how I made this sauce, then keep on watching. So over here I've got my veggies. I have my bell peppers here. I have this large one, the green one and the yellow one. If you have the red one, please feel free to add that. I have my purple onion, my tomatoes, my fresh tomatoes, carrots, and mackerel fish. And I also have my scotch bonnet peppers. Here is the mackerel fish I'm going to wash. I've already washed it off camera. This is just me rinsing it and adding into my pot, and I'm going to be cooking it with the intestine on. I know you might be wondering, why don't you remove the intestine? Don't worry guys, I'm still going to remove it because I just took it out from the freezer. I can't really take off the intestine, but I'm going to cook it together with it, and then I'm going to take it off later. Now in my tiny food processor, I'm going to blend the fresh peppers and the onion, some of the onion, not all, because I'm going to be slicing the remaining onion for cooking the sauce. Now I'm going to add some of the pepper and the onion to the fish. I'm going to also add some salt as well, and then I'm going to season it with this fish seasoning. All right, you can use any brand or you can add any seasoning powder of your choice. I'm going to go in with some water, cover the pot and place on fire. Now I'm going to allow the fish to cook completely, and while that is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and cut up my vegetables. So I'm starting off with the carrot. I'm just going to scrape off the back or the skin, and then I'm going to cut into my desired sizes and shape. You can feel free to cut the carrots into your desired sizes and shape as well. Now, while we are still cutting up our vegetables, this is the right time for you to click that like button if you haven't liked this video yet. Don't wait until the end because you might end up forgetting it. And trust me, you're going to love this recipe. So why not click that like button now and share this video as well. Thank you so much for clicking to watch my videos. I appreciate you. Now it's time to dice up my pineapple, which is one of the main ingredients for this recipe. So you want to make sure to add some pineapple to this. You can add more, you can add less depending on your taste bud, but this is the one I have. This is from that fruit juice I made the other time. If you have seen the video already, this is the one left, so I decided to use it for this recipe. Alright, now the fish is properly cooked and I'm going to transfer into my air fryer. Guys, this step is a must if you want to achieve a very tasty and flavorful sauce. Okay, you can fry it. If you don't have an air fryer, you can fry it on the stove. Just add a little bit of oil in your pan and just gently fry the fish. But if you have an air fryer, definitely make sure to use it. All right. While that is frying, I'm going to start making the sauce. So in my pan, I added some sunflower oil, allow it to heat up a bit, and then I went in with the onion, the remaining onion. I went in with the bell peppers, and now I just added my minced ginger and garlic paste. I'm going to stir fry. I just add and stir fry, basically. I've added my fresh tomatoes, my carrots, and now I'm going to add my aromat seasoning powder. You can add any seasoning of your choice, okay? And then I went in with my fish seasoning as well. I added some salt and I'm going to mix well to combine well. Here comes our pineapple. I've just added that and I'm going to go in with the remaining blended peppers and onion. I'm going to mix. Rinse the blender or the food processor, add to the pot, and here is the fish stock. Don't forget, all right? Rinse the pot as well, add to the pot and mix well. I'm going to taste to be sure that my ingredients are okay or well balanced, but I thought I should adjust with some more salt, which I just did now. And back to our fish, you can see it's done. I don't want to fry it till it's dry, but if you want it really dry, then go ahead and do that. But this consistency or this texture is perfect, all right? So I'm going to take off the intestine, which you can see me do now, and also take off some of the bone in the fish, and then break the fish into smaller chunks. Once that is done, set aside. Now in a bowl, I'm going to add some of this jumbo jollof rice seasoning powder. Guys, please don't be scared. Relax, chill, and enjoy this video. You are here to learn a new recipe from moi, okay? So calm down, don't complain yet until we come to the end of this video. So I just added 2 spoons from that jumbo seasoning. You might want to add more or less depending on the quantity of sauce you're making. As always, I also went in with about 2.5 tablespoons of some cornstarch and mixed with water, then add into my pot. Now you can see that the jumbo seasoning powder has this red color to it. At first, when you are scooping it out, you won't notice that, but once you add water to it, the color starts to manifest, okay? So you can see that the sauce has automatically changed color. And as you guys saw earlier, I went in with some sesame seed oil. Guys, the flavor and the aroma from that sesame seed oil is something you don't want to skip out from this recipe. So if you don't have it, go ahead and purchase it right now. I also went in with our fried fish, cover the pot and let it simmer or cook for 2 minutes at most, so that the sauce can release its flavor into the pot and also absorb some flavor from the pot as well, so that everything can come together and marry each other as husband and wife. Honestly, from my voice, you can tell that I'm so excited to share this recipe with you guys, because I want you guys to go ahead and give it a try. Come back and let me know what you think or how it went for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.